everyone, I'm Ashley, and welcome to the very first video in our Lash Extension series. I'm so excited to guide you through everything you need to know about lash extensions, whether you're brand new to the industry or just looking to sharpen your skills. Our goal is to make this series easy to follow and packed with the essential tips and techniques you need to feel confident as a lash artist. In today's video, we're going to start with the basics. What lash extensions are, the different types available, some key terms you'll hear a lot, and a little preview of what's coming up in this series. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to build on as we dive deeper into the world of lash extensions. Let's get started. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are lash extensions? Simply put, lash extensions are synthetic fibers that are applied one by one or in small fans to your natural lashes. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty by adding length, curl, and volume to your lashes. You might have seen dramatic before and after transformations like this. Lash extensions can give you that effortless wake up and go look without the need for mascara or a lash curler. The best part is, when applied correctly, the extension on a single lash will last until it sheds, meaning clients can go several weeks between appointments. Lash extension sets are completely customizable. Whether your client wants something natural or something super glam, there's a lash style for everyone. During the application process, each lash extension is carefully applied to one individual natural lash. This is done using a special adhesive that's safe, durable, and designed to bond the extensions securely without damaging the natural lash. Now, if you're wondering why lash extensions have become so popular, the answer is simple. They're versatile. They save time, and they give your clients the confidence to feel their best every day. With the right training, licensing, and certification, lash artists are some of the highest earners in the beauty industry, and for great reason. As lash artists, we have to pay so much attention to detail, need extensive safety training to work closely with eyes and keep them healthy, and must have steady hands and great eyesight. If you're just starting out in lashes, make sure to look up state licensing and insurance laws to ensure you are moving forward legally with your lash career. In addition to that, and what we'll cover in this series, you can deliver gorgeous lash results every time. Now that you know what lash extensions are, let's talk about the different types. Understanding these will help you create the perfect lash look for every client. There are three main types of lash extensions: classic, volume, and hybrid. Each offers a unique style and level of drama. First up, classic lashes. These are the simplest and most natural looking option. With classic lash extensions, we apply one extension to each natural lash, giving a subtle mascara-like effect. Classic lashes are great for clients who want something low maintenance and natural while still enhancing their overall look. Next, we have volume lashes. These are all about drama and fullness. Instead of one extension per lash, we use lightweight extensions in small fans, usually 2 to 6 extensions per lash. This creates a fluffy, voluminous effect. Volume lashes are perfect for clients who want a bold, glamorous look or need to fill in gaps where natural lashes might be sparse. And then there's hybrid lashes, which are the best of both worlds. This style combines the natural elegance of classic lashes with the fullness of volume lashes, creating a textured, more dynamic look. Hybrid lashes are ideal for clients who want something that's noticeable but not too over the top. Soon, we'll chat about lash materials and tools, but one thing to note is we at PLA only use the best Korean PBT fiber for our products, which is a synthetic fiber. We'll also dive deeper into lash mapping and customization in a future video. But for now, just remember, length, curl, and thickness all play a role in the final look, and lashes can range all the way from supernatural to mega glam, depending on what your client wants. With these basics in mind, you'll have the confidence to start tailoring lash styles to every client's needs. Let's keep going. All right, now let's go over some basic terms you'll need to know as a lash artist. These terms are essential, and you'll hear them often when learning or working with lash extensions. The first term is isolation. This refers to separating a single natural lash from the rest so you can apply an extension without sticking lashes together. Isolation is key to a clean, professional look and healthy lash growth. Next, let's talk about adhesive. This is the special glue we use to attach extensions to the natural lashes. Lash adhesive is designed to be strong but gentle, and it's formulated specifically for use around the eyes. One thing to remember is that adhesives come in different drying times, so you can pick one that matches your skill level and speed. You'll also hear the term fill a lot. A fill is a maintenance appointment where we replace extensions that have fallen out due to the natural growth cycle. This is an important service to keep lashes looking full and fresh between full sets. Another critical term is retention. Retention refers to how long the extensions stay attached to the natural lash before falling off. Good retention depends on your technique, adhesive, and your client's aftercare. Great retention means the extension stays on the natural lash until it sheds naturally. And lastly, let's quickly go over some tools you'll use. You'll hear a lot about lash tweezers, eye pads, adhesive rings, and more. Don't worry, we'll break these down in detail in the next video, but for now, just know that having the right tools is essential to your success. By understanding these basic terms like isolation, adhesive, fills, and retention, you'll be speaking the lash language in no time. And don't worry, we'll revisit these concepts throughout the series to make sure you're totally confident. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what you can expect from this series. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, we're going to guide you step by step to becoming a confident lash artist. Let's talk about the phases of your journey to becoming a confident lash artist. We'll start by building a strong foundation covering essential tools and basic techniques to set you up for success. Next, we'll focus on mastering core skills like lash mapping and flawless application, ensuring your work is precise and efficient. As you progress, we'll explore intermediate techniques and creative styling, giving you the confidence to create custom designs for every client. From there, we'll tackle advanced techniques and problem solving, preparing you to handle any challenge. Finally, we'll dive into the business of lash artistry, teaching you how to care for clients, educate them on aftercare, and build a thriving lash business. So as you can see, this series is designed to give you all the tools, knowledge, and confidence you need to thrive in the world of lash extensions. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for a refresher, you'll find value in every episode. We have covered so much today, from understanding what lash extensions are to learning about the different types, key terms, and what's coming up in this series. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to dive deeper into the world of lash artistry. Remember, this series is all about helping you build your confidence and skill as a lash artist. Whether you're starting fresh or refining what you already know, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. In our next episode, we'll be talking all about the tools of the trade, everything you'll need to get started as a lash artist. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and make sure this series gives you exactly what you need.